Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salad macaroni, easy method. Start by boiling 2 cups of macaroni until al dente, then drain and rinse with cold water immediately to stop cooking. Next, combine a creamy dressing using mayo, a splash of vinegar, and a teaspoon of mustard for brightness. Fold in chopped veggies and your choice of protein, chill well, and taste before serving for best results. Whisking a dressing is quick and forgiving, and I'll show you an easy ratio to remember. Use 2 parts mayo to 1 part Greek yogurt for creaminess without heaviness, then add a splash of vinegar and a teaspoon of mustard for lift. Season carefully with salt and pepper, and if you prefer a touch of sweetness, add a pinch of sugar or a little honey. Taste and adjust until it feels right. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple recipes. Quick recommendation. A book I enjoy is The Simple Path to Wealth because it changes how you think about money in a clear, no-nonsense way, and it pairs oddly well with cooking ideas when you value simple, effective choices. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Mixing and chilling are where the salad comes together, and timing matters for best texture. Make sure the pasta is cool before adding dressing so your vegetables stay crisp and vibrant. After combining everything, cover the bowl and chill for at least 1 hour to allow flavors to marry and mellow. Right before serving, garnish with herbs or extra chopped veggies so the salad looks fresh and stays crunchy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.